Say the magic words.
Abracadabra.
Look inside the garage. Wait.
Wait.
Da, 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 da.
What is it?
It's a bike.
It's for you.
It's your very own bike.
My Super Red
First
Racer.
bike.
Super Red Racer.
Can you reach the pedals?
Why does that look so low? That looks really low.
Low?
Doesn't it?
Wow.
Isn't the handlebar supposed to be up at his chest?
Wow, this is.
That's like really low.
Well, the seat's too high.
Oh, okay.
I know you want to go there.
Good job. You like it?
Of course I do.
That's awesome. Happy
I'll lower
birthday.
the seat for you.
Can you wave to the camera and say, "It's my birthday"?